What's up, guys? Welcome back to Transcending Waves Crypto, bringing you another market update for the day. And definitely a crazy historic day for the US and I guess in the world too. The assassination attempt on Trump at one of his rallies. Definitely just a unfortunate, sad day to be remembered in the US. And um, either way, it seems to be causing price action here for Bitcoin. And you can see we were following up on this range it has been in for pretty much this whole year. This low back here on the daily back in March, and then this low back in May, forming this inflection zone here, marking the bottom of the range. Top of the range was around 70K. So after Bitcoin had played out a move to the top of the range, it wasn't able to break out. And then it pulled back all the way down, down to around 53K, kind of retested this price action over here on the daily. But then it came back and reclaimed this inflection zone. And so far, the past couple of days, Bitcoin has been closing above this zone, and price action so far has been playing out to the upside. We're also following up on some bullish divergence identified on the RSI and the MACD from this point to this point. Since price made a lower low, but the RSI made a higher low, and the MACD made a higher low as well. And now the MACD, it does have positive momentum building. The RSI is looking to bounce off the EMA and attempt to break out of the bearish control zone. The EMA is at 59,000, and the MACD line is also crossing from the bottom at the daily. And this jewel indicator down here is oversold as well. So we'll have to continue just monitoring, follow up, and see if this bullish divergence ends up playing out for this to be the low. And then when you combine that with today being such a historically significant day, who knows if things like that would spark the low being in for Bitcoin. Just like other historic days in the past, like the bank failure days and other things that have played out. Who knows if today with the assassination attempt on Trump, if that ends up being one of the catalysts, like some kind of event to mark the low. And there is some bullish divergence here on the daily, so you never know. But either way, that's why we've been saying these are just great opportunities to dollar cost average when Bitcoin is pretty much at this inflection zone at the bottom of the range. It's always better to buy at the lows rather than at the top. So not financial advice, but as long as you're dollar cost averaging anywhere here, and even if things were to go down to like 50,000 for a retest, you can never know how things are going to play out. But usually people miss out on the bottom because, and then they buy it at higher prices. So pretty much as long as you dollar cost average on the way down, then you're all good to go when the market is done reaccumulating and macro uptrend is ready to continue. So yeah, just definitely had been great dollar cost averaging opportunities, and we'll have to see if an event like today could be the catalyst for the low being in. But I think we'll leave it there for today. We'll follow up in the next video and see how things are playing out. If that daily bullish divergence ends up being playing out for the low being in. So yeah, we'll just leave it there and see how things are looking in the next video. But I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for all your support. Go ahead, like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are on today and the the assassination attempt on Trump and what you think it means for like the country and the world. And then let me know if you think something like that could mean the bottom is in, or yeah, if you think the bottom is in, or if you think price action is going to go lower. Definitely leave your thoughts. I'd be love to know. But thanks a lot, guys. We'll leave it there and see you in the next one.